Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 2.2 question number 8. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Let us take let let us take let three consecutive integers be let three consecutive integers three consecutive integers be x plus 1 and x plus 2 and x plus 2 according to the question according to the question according to the question 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 74, or 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 74. 2x plus 3x 5x, 5x plus 4x is 9x plus 8 plus 3, that is 11, is equal to 74, or 9x is equal to 74 minus 11, that is on transposing 11 to the right hand side, on transposing right. So we are getting 9x is equal to 74 minus 11, that is 4 minus 1 is 3 and 7 minus 1 is 6, 63. Dividing both sides by 9, dividing both sides by 9, dividing both sides by 9, we get, take both sides by 9, we get 9x by 9 is x, and 63 by 9, that is 7 9 is 63, that is 7. The value of x is equal to 7. Here you see the value of x is equal to 7. Therefore, the three consecutive integers, there are three consecutive integers are x, that is equal to 7, x plus 1, that is equal to 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, and x plus 2, that is 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, right? Therefore the three consecutive integers 7, 8 and 9. Therefore the numbers are numbers are 7, 8 and 9. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.